presenting the all-new Textbook of Medical Physiology, 4th edition. Tailored for today's medical students, it simplifies core physiological concepts with clarity and visual strength. From nerve-muscle dynamics to integrated physiology, this edition covers it all, comprehensively and clinically. Now enhanced with updated clinical notes, new age chapters like meditation and brain death, and flowcharts for easy understanding. With new competency-based additions in physiology of aging, infancy, exercise, and sedentary lifestyle. This edition has free eBook access, video lectures, and case scenarios. Edited by India's best-known physiologists, Dr. D. Venkatesh and Dr. H. Sudhakar. His book is a gold standard in medical learning. Build your foundation in medical physiology with India's most trusted resource. Buy now on Amazon.